Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So, as I was saying on Instagram, I'm going to Tripoli today and I wanted to vlog the experience. So right now it's 8:30 a.m. and we're about to leave the house and go to a rental car agency to rent a car and then drive over. We're gonna make one stop along the way at Byblos, so I'll show that as well. And yeah, I'm just excited to go on this trip and to vlog it as well. I'm excited to bring you guys with me. Yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm just waiting for my husband to make us some coffee because we're both a little bit tired. And then we should be getting going. So I'll see you guys on the trip. So now we're walking to the bus and we're gonna take the bus to Khalda and then get the car from there. This is our view. This is the view right in front of our house, actually. It's a really nice day today, too. So we're in the car now. We got the car a little bit ago. We're in a... what kind of car are we in?
Chevy.
We're in a Chevy what?
Spark.
We're in a Chevy Spark. It's very nice to be in a car with AC and seat belts because in Lebanon those are few and far between. But anyways, so we're just heading to Byblos first. Oh, I think I just saw a dead cat. Did you see that? We're heading to Byblos and we're gonna do some touristic things there. We're gonna see ruins and it's like an old city, right? Yeah, so we're gonna go and look at the ruins and look at the old city, maybe get something to eat there, and then we're gonna continue on to Tripoli and go to some old markets. And then we kind of don't have like a super solid plan, but we're just being spontaneous and, you know, living on the edge. So that's basically our plan. Oh, and then we might go to one other place that's a little further north of Tripoli, right? Yeah, so we might go to another place too that's like a beautiful waterfall kind of. It's called Ouyoun El Samak. So yeah, we might go there as well. So right now we're just in the car. We just stopped at Dunkin' Donuts and yeah, it's just, I've been looking for a bagel since Eid. I think I also mentioned this somewhere, maybe in my last video. And yeah, have not been able to find bagels in Lebanon at all anywhere. I mean, we've just looked at Dunkin' Donuts, but I don't know where we can find a bagel here. I've just been having a craving. But anyways, so yeah, we stopped there. And now we're looking for a bakery to get other food besides coffee and donuts. So that's currently what's happening. Breakfast.
مش كل دمعة بتنسكب بتكون من السقا مش كل كلمة بتنكتب بتوصل للمرام
من شوق الخير العرب أحمد خير الأنام قلبي بالحب التهب ومدوبني الغرام
والأشعار كتبتله ومكاتبي وديت والأشواق بعتله ريتها توصل يا ريت والأشعار كتبتله ومكاتبي وديت والأشواق بعتله ريتها توصل يا ريت
يا ريت عندك طير يا ريت عندك طير يا ريت عندك طير يا ريت عندك طير يا ريت نجدة يا محمد هالدنيا حمل كبير طال الليل الأسود ومتعبني التفكير نجدة
I'm giving it the best rub of its life. I love her. Let's take her home. We can give Nemi a friend.
Look, now everyone outside should get into a fight with other cats.
I just gave this little cat food. So what you can do is like you fast forward certain parts, and then if there's a certain part where you're talking and you want to say like you want to include it, then you just keep it normal. You know what I mean? Like you cut the clips. You would have just seen that we were in Byblos and we walked around. We weren't able to go to the castle that's there. It's like kind of like ruins, but we weren't able to go. It was closed. And then also we got stopped because my husband has a mask. I don't wear one because it's hard for me to put it on without putting it on before I put my hijab on. So he was telling us that if we don't wear one, we'll get a $50 fine. So now I'm wearing one. But yeah, we're now headed to Tripoli. So we just walked around. There was like a lot of really beautiful flowers, and there were a lot of cute cats too. And we ate some lunch. And now we're headed to Tripoli to do a little bit of shopping, and then also just kind of just see the sights, things like that. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Just climbed up a huge hill to get these views.
الصبر وعون الصابرين ومن صفات الصالحين الصبر وعون الصابرين ومن صفات الصالحين.
We just finished up in Tripoli. I never actually filmed us arriving in Tripoli, but I filmed some clips of us being there. We did a bit of shopping, particularly for my husband, to get him some abayas. And then we walked around like an old market.
You're a Eid present to me.
Yeah, I was buying him a present and for Eid. And then we walked around an old market, and then we looked for this castle that we wanted to enter and like walk around in, but it was closed. So we just walked up this really large hill and like took some pictures at the top and just like overlooked the city, and then we walked back down, but hopefully we'll try to return to it at some point. And then now we are heading to this place called Ouyoun El Samak, it's a really scenic area. It has like a waterfall and things like that I saw on Google, so I want to try and go there, and it has a restaurant there too. Okay. I'm stressed about the driving here because driving in Lebanon is very stressful, and people are like always on your tail and honking at you. So anyway, so that's where we're headed. We're heading to Ouyoun El Samak. So it should be really beautiful, and hopefully things are open there too. Things are kind of still closed because it was just Eid, so not everything has been open, but hopefully within the next couple of days things will be opening back up.
Your accent is
We just got to Ouyoun El Samak and we spotted it like through the trees. It's like a waterfall, and then there's a restaurant right in front of the waterfall, and it's a beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. If you can see around us, there's like mountains. And then over here, we have mountains up here too. And it's just like this gorgeous waterfall, but I'll show you guys in a second. Guys, I made it to the waterfall. Here, and this is the bridge. This is Ouyoun El Samak. Hey guys, so we just went to Ouyoun El Samak, as you would have seen in clips a minute ago, of the waterfall. It was really beautiful. The waterfall was immense and gorgeous. The only thing is that my husband and I both feel like this place could have been taken advantage of in a better way. So like it's a little bit dirty, like there's trash around the place. People, you can rent out go-karts here. Go-karts? ATVs. And so then there's like a smoke smell in the air. The restaurant isn't really like nice. It's just fully outdoors. It's fully outdoors and it's not really like, I don't know, well put together. And there's kind of like an awning blocking the waterfall. So somebody with like a business mindset, we were saying, could like come here and just like redesign the restaurant and they'd probably get so much business. But we did got some fries there and they're good. But anyways, we're returning to Tripoli now and we're gonna go to a restaurant there and then probably head back home for the day. But yeah, it was really nice. Glad we're here. We're kind of in the mountains, in the villages, like in the middle of nowhere. There's a lot of bugs, but it's been good. I enjoyed it. Right now in this video, we're trying to capture the clouds because we're literally at the top of a mountain and we're driving through the clouds. So you can see the fog like moving, or the clouds moving, but it's on top of us. But I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but you can literally see the clouds moving in front of us. Oh wow. That's pretty.
Oh my god, that's right. That's pretty cool.
Driving through fog. It's just like so foggy we can barely see. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Wow. Barely see.
This is our view. The clouds. So right here, we just drove through this area over here, and this was completely foggy, cloudy, looked like a rainy day and cold. And now if you look here on this side,
It's clear.
It's clear and
No
sunny,
clouds.
and we have now made it through a cloud. So we just drove through a cloud here. Weather brought to you by Nadia. Like freaking out at how amazing this whole area looks. It's like everything we look at is beautiful. It's kind of hard to show in the camera. This is what's ahead of us. It's just gorgeous. We're in the mountains right now, clearly.
Okay, so we have to walk down from here. We have to go all the way down. Let's hold on to the railing. What if the really has corona? Watch out. There's thorns here.
أنا العبد الفقير وأنا أعيش وصاحبي القلق نهاري دونكم ليل وليلي كله أرق أنا العبد الفقير أنا غرامي أنتم علنا أنا العبد الفقير أنا غرامي أنتم علنا
Okay, now we're going to the other side.
I would be hesitant to bring children here because this would be extremely dangerous.
Yeah, this would be really dangerous. This is like a death fall right here.
Alright, so we came a little bit closer. Can you see it? This is the waterfall and it goes all the way down there. But yeah, the view is just so nice, mashallah. And the sounds, it's like pure nature and birds chirping. So beautiful. And the rocks are really pretty too. Yeah.
وركب عاشق أبدا لكم بالشوق ينطلق ففي ساحل الهوى علم بكم يسمو